Hi everybody. Good morning, and I hope everybody is doing well today. Yes, it's another day that Lord has made to be joyful and be glad in it. Oh yeah, it's 11 a.m. I'm preparing nice, delicious, healthy, full of nutrients, veggie sauce for the lunch day. You can call it a Caribbean islands veggie sauce. It's gonna be so delicious and healthy, guys. We're gonna cook eggplant mixed with mushroom, and yes, we're gonna mix with okra, and it's gonna be so good and healthy. Okay guys, come and watch. Yes guys, this is what we have on the table already. We have nice washed carrot and chopped already in a very small size, and we have shredded carrot, and this is a mushroom, sliced mushroom. It's very healthy. We have onion and eggplant, and this healthy nutritious ever okra. They are the best. These are product from Honduras. Yes guys, it's so delicious. So I'm gonna mix all this together. We shall get something yummy. Yes, and here we have some washed green pepper chopped in a small size, and we have cooking oil. We have all our tomatoes already, and salt and garlic already ready to start cooking, guys. We're gonna enjoy the meal. You can eat the sauce with rice, with fufu, shima, plantain, you know, anything. You can eat with anything. This sauce is so good. Okay guys, let's start getting cooking, and God bless you. Okay guys, also on the other hand, we have the dry seasoning spices. We have curry, and we have this one, the perfect seasoning. It has all the mixture, and of course salt, and we're gonna put a little black pepper to bring the nice spice taste. And we have this one, adobo from Goya Company, so good. And of course green pepper and garlic, we shall toss some in there. Of course this one I'm gonna mash it with my machine quick. Okay, thank you guys, and let's get cooking. All right, are you ready? Let's wait for this nice, delicious, healthy Caribbean island vegetable sauce that you can eat with anything. Let's find out in a few minutes, guys. I hope you're waiting, and I hope you're enjoying my cooking skills as a mom. Bye. Yes guys, so the eggplant is already washed and chopped in a very small size. That's what I like. It's small size. And our mushroom, nice washed, so the chopped also. And we have okra. We're gonna also slice into small pieces and ready for being cooked. Okay baby, thank you, see ya. Yeah, so we're gonna get cooking in a second. Okay, so this is the size of my okra. Is already chopped in a small size, and that's how you're gonna blend all your mixture together with other things. All right guys, ready to start. Yeah, we have a cooking oil here. I've already opened it. You're gonna pour some. I think that will be perfect, since I'm not using coconut oil, so this will be enough. Okay guys, now we're gonna put our onions. Our oil is already warm, and ready to start cooking. And the fire is medium over here, so we are all good right there. Don't put too high, because your onion will be all burned. That's really good. I just wait for a few seconds, and I'll put carrot on. Time for carrots. I'm gonna put all of them according to desire. Gonna wait to cook. Okay, now I'm gonna put the rest of the carrots and the green pepper. And also I'm gonna put this little garlic. I already mashed it, rounded it. Okay. Okay, for now I'm gonna cover a little bit for a few minutes, then I'll go put spices and then put the mushroom. Thank you. Now it's already cooked. I'm gonna stir it up. Okay, good way. And now I'm gonna put some dry spices. This one Goya. I don't put much since I'm gonna add with some little salt. It has iodine. I like using this one, just a little. I'm gonna put this seasoning, perfect blend of different things as onion, parsley, cilantro, and all other ingredients.
Can you open it for me, Mom?
So I'm gonna put also curry. I like just putting a little for the taste and the color. This is enough. Yes. I'm gonna put a black pepper. Also for the spice and taste. It's really good. And I like putting this one also, the Azori Goya, for the color of my sauce. Just one, you know, just one to bring nice taste. Yes, that's good. And now I'm gonna add some mushroom. I won't put tomato now, but I'm gonna add mushroom to cook together because this one are a bit harder. And I'm gonna cover a little bit for now before I add the tomatoes. Thank you. Okay, that's well cooked. Yes, very good. Thank you. Now I'm gonna add even the little fruity tomato. It's very good to bring a nice color and taste. At that time, I'm gonna add cover right here. Yeah, we already finished mixing our mushroom, tomato fruits, and okra, and now we're gonna put some eggplants ready, and later we shall put some tomatoes. And I do this because I want to know how much is gonna shrink after cooking for a few minutes. Then I'll put the tomato paste. Okay guys, I know I'm gonna add a little bit of water so my sauce won't be burned. Some little water, and I'll cover it up. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's check our mixture here. Yeah. Our eggplant has been shrunk. It's gonna be nice. I shall add some little water later, and now I'm gonna put some tomato paste, blended tomato. You can taste and see how much the salt is good. Not too much, but I can add a little because I'm gonna add with the tomato right now. Add tomato sauce. You can put as much as you want to bring the sauce. This is a Caribbean island veggie sauce, guys. You can eat with anything. Even Indians like to cook such kind of mixture. Black Indians, they eat this. They like mixing, and you can eat with bread, you can eat with rice, you can eat with fufu or shima, you know, anything. It's good, healthy veggie sauce. I like to add a little bit. And this point, if I was using coconut, I could put coconut milk cream right now, but I put enough oil. I don't need to use coconut since I'm gonna cook rice with coconut, so means I don't need to put in here to make sure I get a good blend and a good taste. Okay, this time I'll add a little water, and then I'll cover my cooking sauce, just a little, not too much but a little, to make sure it cook well. You know, as usual, eggplant always shrunk when you cut the whole of it. I cut the whole eggplant, but still this sauce, it was almost full when you put, but once it get cooked, it shrunk. That's what I like about eggplant. It helps you to lose weight, and okra the same, and very healthy for your gut. Gonna cook for like 2 minutes, then we test salt. It will be ready to be served with any of your meal you want to eat. Thank you for now. Okay guys, we're gonna check our cooking. Oh yeah, our cooking is good. Yeah, it was just a little starting to hold down, but because I put some water, it did not get burned. Thank you guys. Oh my goodness, I love this mixture. I love it so much. Yes, it's so delicious, guys. You'll love it. For those who love okra and eggplant with the little mushroom, oh my goodness, it's a total veggie. It's a super meal, guys. You might think you mix with beef, so if you mix with a beef sauce, beef stew, you'll bite your fingers. I'm telling you. I'll cook that next time. I'm just giving you appetizer. If you cook with a beef stew, can be goat or cow meat, is amazing. Oh my goodness, it's the best. Or you can mix with fish stew, is also good. Just a stew of the fish, you mix with this sauce, it will be amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Our meal is ready, and it's 12:06 right now, so we were on time. Just 1 hour, we are done, ready to enjoy the lunch. We're gonna eat this with rice, and I'll cook with ugali or shima or fufu. We call ugali in Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda. We call ugali. Other people call shima, like people from Zambia. Fufu, people from Ghana and Nigeria. So I'm gonna enjoy this with ugali and rice today. My kid like rice, and I'll eat some with. I'm gonna cover and I'll reduce the heat. I'm gonna reduce the heat just for 1 more minute, and it will be all set. Okay guys, our meal is ready. Oh yeah, this is simmered so good. You can tell it's well cooked and everything is soft. It's well soft now. See? Cooked for 2 minutes. Actually it was 3, guys. And everything is soft and delicious. Now we are ready to serve. We're gonna serve our vegetable using the serving spoon. Yes, you can have boiled egg on a side as you wish, like how other people do it. Yes, this is nice, delicious. And I've already cooked my rice with coconut. It's already well, and we have some orange juice. 1 personal meal is ready with your fruit on the side or anything you like. It will be healthy and delicious to enjoy as for your lunch, guys. That's my meal, well cooked. That's my rice and healthy orange juice. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Hi guys, yeah, so my meal is well prepared and is ready to be eaten. My husband could be here, he could enjoy. Oh, today I'm gonna eat myself. Oh, my one and only video director who is taking a video right now, she will also come and test my meal and we enjoy. We have plenty in the kitchen, so this is just a sample, guys. And we actually have some chicken, but we don't want to eat the chicken today. That will be another day recipe. So today we want to test rice and our Caribbean island vegetable sauce with some orange juice. Okay, before we start, we're gonna pray. Amen. Thank you so much, guys. So let's dive in, guys. Okay, yep. I'm gonna serve my sauce. All right, let's test it. Guys, so delicious. It's so soft, so it smells so good, so tasty, and the sauce is so really good, and the salt is medium. Everything, I feel the smell of our okra and mushroom, and the taste of eggplant is so good, guys. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my meal today. God bless you so much, and we love you. Please share the link, like, and subscribe to our channel, and God bless you so much. Until next time. Thank you so much, guys. The food was so good and delicious. I'm well satisfied. I'm ready to go chill and rest, watch a movie. While my baby is sleeping now, and after that I will help them with the homework or something else. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my cooking skills today, and I wish you to go try cook the same okra, eggplant, and mushroom together. It's so healthy for you. It's helped to lose weight and so much nutrients for your body. Trust me, you'll start running without yourself knowing how. God bless you, and I love you guys. Like and share our videos. Bye.